Good morning to all. So here today trigonometry. So here formulas today. So in this first formulas, so here first we take triangle here, right angle triangle. So here this is the right angle triangle. So here this is A, B, next I'm meaning C. A, B, C, B, A, right angle triangle. So here this is the angle theta. So this is opposite side by opposite side. This is adjacent side. This is hypotenuse. Okay, hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. So here this is adjacent side. This is opposite side. Opposite side. So in this trigonometric ratios, so here first one here, sin theta is equal to, here sin of theta is equal to, sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is BC. Here BC by here AB. BC by AB. BC by AB. BC by AB. So next to cos theta. So here cos of theta is equal to adjacent side AC by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AB. Hypotenuse is AB. So next to tan theta. So here tan of theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is BC. So that is BC by AC. BC by AC. Next to cosecant theta. So here cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse is AB by BC. Opposite side is BC. So next to secant theta. So secant theta is equal to here opposite side by adjacent side. So that is here AC by here AB. AC by AB. Okay, AC by AB. Next to cot theta. Here cot theta is equal to adjacent side by opposite side. Adjacent side is AC. So that is AC by here BC. AC by BC. These are trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios are 6 ratios. Okay, these 6. Right? See here, sin theta. Sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Next to tan theta. Here tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. Next to cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side. See here secant theta. Here secant theta is hypotenuse by adjacent side. So next to cot theta. Cot theta is adjacent side by opposite side. These are 6 trigonometric ratios. Okay. Next to trigonometric identities. See here. Next to trigonometric identities. Say first here trigonometric identities are. So first, so in this first one, here sin square theta. Here sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So next to, see here in the second one, so here secant square theta. Here secant square theta minus tan square theta. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Right? Next to, see here in this third one, is here cosecant square theta. Here cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. Here minus cot square theta is equal to here 1. These are trigonometric identities. So here next identities, here in this fourth one, so here sin theta into sin of theta into cosecant theta. Sin of theta into cosecant theta is equal to here 1. Sin theta into cosecant theta is equal to 1. Next to here in this fifth one, see in this fifth one, so here cos theta into here cos of theta into secant theta. Cos of theta into secant theta is equal to 1, right? Next, see in the sixth one, so here tan theta, here tan of theta into here cot theta, tan of theta into cot theta, here cot of theta is equal to 1. Okay, these are trigonometric identities. See here next right here formulas here. Okay, formulas. So here in this first one here, so in this formula sin square theta is equal to, see in this first set here, in this first set here sin square theta, here sin square theta is equal to, here sin square theta, here sin square theta is equal to, here 1 minus cos square theta, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, next see here cos square theta is equal to, cos square theta is equal to, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, 1 minus sin square theta. So next second one secant square theta, here secant square theta is equal to, here secant square theta is equal to, here secant square theta is equal to, here take in this side here 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus here tan square theta. Next here tan square theta, take in this side 1, take in this side here, tan square theta is equal to, here tan square theta is equal to, tan square theta is equal to, here 1 take in this side, secant square theta minus 1, here secant square theta minus 1. Next, see here in this next, here cosecant square theta, here cosecant square theta is equal to, here cosecant square theta is equal to, here take in this side here 1 plus cot square theta, 1 plus here cot square theta, 1 plus cot square theta. Next cot square theta, here cot square theta is equal to, here cot square theta is equal to, cot square theta take in this side, 1 take in this side, cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta, cosecant square theta minus 1, cosecant square theta minus 1. Okay, next see here in this data, here in the second one, here in the second one, see here first sin theta is equal to, take in this side here sin theta, here sin theta is equal to, sin of theta is equal to here 1 by here cosecant theta, 1 by cosecant theta. Next cosecant theta, here cosecant theta is equal to, here 1 by sin theta, cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, cross multiply. Next see here cos theta, here cos theta is equal to, cos of theta is equal to, here take in this side here 1 by secant theta. So next secant theta, here secant theta is equal to, secant theta is equal to, here cross multiply 1 by cos of theta. Next see here in this third one here, in this third one here tan theta, here tan theta is equal to, here tan of theta is equal to, here 1 by cot theta, 1 by cot theta. Next here cot theta is equal to, cot of theta is equal to, here 1 by tan of theta. Okay, 1 by tan of theta. See here first set 1, set 2. Okay, set 1, set 2. Okay, write these formulas. Okay, you also one time write these formulas. Right, see here next problem. So in this question is here page number right, see here in this textbook. Okay, textbook page number 61 by example 6, 61 by example 6. Okay, your question bank numbers. Okay, your question bank question numbers. Okay, right, see here 61 by example 6. See here in this question here 5 marks question, this question. Okay, see here in this model important, in this model 1 mark questions important, competitive exams important, these questions. See here first here cos x is equal to minus 3 by 5. X lies in the third quadrant, x lies in the third quadrant. Find the values of other 5 trigonometric functions. See here first here in this given data cos x value is given, cos x is minus 3 by 5. x lies in the third quadrant. Okay, x lies in the third quadrant. So here x lies in the third quadrant. So next here cos x value. So here find the values of other 5 trigonometric functions. Okay, other 5 trigonometric functions. See here in this data. So first here in this solution here given data cos x is equal to, here in this given data cos x is equal to 6. So here in this given data cos x is equal to, cos of x is equal to, so here minus 3 by, here minus 3 by 5 is given, minus 3 by 5. Okay, cos x value minus 3 by 5. So here x lies in third quadrant. So here x lies in third quadrant is Q3. Okay, third quadrant is Q3. So take triangle here. So in this triangle here, see, take right angle triangle. So this is the right angle triangle. Okay. So in this right angle triangle, so here this is A, B, next this is C. Okay, this is the right angle triangle. So here cos x is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So here opposite, here cos x is equal to adjacent, here adjacent side is 3. Okay, adjacent side is 3 by hypotenuse. Here in this hypotenuse is 5. Here don't take minus here. Okay, here x lies in third quadrant. In third quadrant cos x is negative value. Okay, don't take sign. Okay, only consider these values 3, 5. Okay, 3, 5 only. So here cos x is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay, so here in this x lies in third quadrant, this is Q1, this is Q2, this is Q3, this is Q4. Okay, Q4. So in this third quadrant cos x is negative value, so this is minus coming. Okay, don't take minus here. Only cos x is adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is 3 by 5 only. So next other 5 trigonometric functions. See here next other 5 is sin x. Here sin x is equal to, here sin of x. Here sin of x is equal to, here sin x value is opposite side by hypotenuse. See here, this is the right angle triangle. 5 square is 25. 3 square is 9. 25 minus 9 is 16. So this side length is square root of 16. That is 4. Okay, that is 4. So sin x is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So that is equal to 4 by 5. So x lies in third quadrant. So in this third quadrant sin x is negative. So if you take minus, sin x is negative, third quadrant. Next tan x. Here tan x is equal to, here tan of x is equal to, so tan x is equal to, here this is angle x here. Tan x is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So that is here 4 by 3. Here 4 by 3. So x lies in third quadrant. So in third quadrant tan is positive. Okay, tan is positive. So here 4 by 3. Next here cot x. Here cot of x is equal to, here adjacent side by opposite side. Adjacent side is here 3 by 4. So cot x is equal to 3 by 4. See here x lies in third quadrant. Third quadrant cot is positive. See here next cosecant x. Here cosecant x is equal to, so here hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse is 5. Here 5 by here opposite side is 4. See here cosecant x. So x lies in third quadrant. Here in this third quadrant cosecant is negative. So if you take here minus, cosecant is negative. Okay, right. Next see here secant x. Here secant x is equal to, so here hypotenuse by adjacent side. So that is equal here 5 by 3. Okay, 5 by 3. So secant x, here x lies in third quadrant. Here in this third quadrant secant is negative. So that is here minus. Okay, minus. Okay, right. Next see here one more time. See here cos x is equal to minus 3 by 5. X lies in the third quadrant. So find the values of other 5 trigonometric functions. So here first write here given data. So here in this given data cos x, here cos x is equal to cos x value. This is cos x value minus 3 by 5. So here x lies in third quadrant. So x belongs to Q3. X lies in third quadrant. This quadrant, third quadrant. X lies in third quadrant. So in this third quadrant, tan and cot are positive. Remaining trigonometric ratios are negative. Only tan, cot are positive here. Remaining other trigonometric ratios are negative. So here, see here, other. So here sin x. Sin x is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is 4 by 5. Okay, 4 by 5. So here sin x. In this third quadrant, sin x is negative. So here take minus here. Okay, minus. Next to tan x. Here tan x is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, 4 by 3. So tan x. In this third quadrant, tan x is positive. So take positive here. Next to cot x. Cot x is equal to adjacent side by opposite side. So 3 by 4. So cot x. Here cot x is third quadrant positive. So next to cosecant x. Here cosecant x is hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse is 5 by 4 here. So cosecant x. Here in this third quadrant, cosecant x is negative. So that is minus. Take minus. So next to secant x. Here secant x is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side. 5 by 3. So 5 by 3. Next here secant x. Secant x is third quadrant negative. So if we take minus. Okay, here this value is minus 5 by 3. Okay, this model objective problems important. Okay, competitive exams important this question. Okay, right? So here you also one time practice this question. Okay, write this question. Okay, next problem. See here in this next question also same model. Okay, see here one more time listen. See here in this question. See here page number 63 by 1. Okay, page number 63 by 1. Page number 63 1. Okay. Second exercise problem. See here, find the values of other 5 trigonometric functions. Find the values of other 5 trigonometric functions. So here in this given data, cos x is equal to minus 1 by 2. X lies in third quadrant. Okay, x lies in third quadrant. X lies in third quadrant. Okay, this important. X lies in third quadrant. Same in this question also. Here these values are changing here. Right. See here first we take a right angle triangle here. So in this right angle triangle. See here, this is the angle here in this cos x. So this angle is x here. Okay, right. So here in this solution, so in this given data, cos of x is equal to, here cos of x is equal to, here minus 1 by 2. So here x lies in third quadrant. So that is x lies in third quadrant, Q3. Okay, Q3 means third quadrant. Okay, Q3 means third quadrant. See here first here cos x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So cos x is equal to opposite side, cos x value adjacent side by hypotenuse. So this value is adjacent side is 1. So here in this value is here 2. Okay, in this value is 2. 1 by 2. Okay, minus 1 by 2. So don't take minus. So here x lies in third quadrant. X lies in third quadrant means cos x value negative value. Okay, don't take minus. Only take these values here 1 or 2 only. So here cos x is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay. So in this side length is here. In this side length, see here 2 square. 2 square value 4. 4 minus 1 3. So root of 3. This side length is here root of 3. This length is root of 3. Okay. See here next to other 5 trigonometric functions here. So cos x value. Next to sin x value. So here sin of x is equal to, here sin of x is equal to sin x value opposite side by hypotenuse. So opposite side is here root of 3. Here root of 3 by, here that is 2. Okay, root of 3 by 2. See here x lies in third quadrant. X lies in third quadrant. X lies in third quadrant means, so this is Q1. Next this is Q2. This is Q3. Here this is Q4. See here x lies in third quadrant. X lies in third quadrant. Okay, this quadrant. So in this third quadrant, tan and cot are positive. Remaining ratios are negative. See here sin x is negative. So we will take here minus. Okay, next to tan x. Here tan x is equal to here tan of x is equal to, here tan x is opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side value root 3 by 1. So that is equal to, here that is root of 3 by 1. So tan x, here x lies in third quadrant. Tan x is positive. So here take plus. So this total value root 3 by 1 is equal to, here root of 3. So next to cot x. Here cot x value. So here cot x is equal to, here cot of x is equal to, so here cot x value, here adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is 1. So that is 1 by, here root of 3, 1 by root 3. So here cot x. So in this third quadrant cot x is positive. So cot x is positive, minus 1 by root 3 cot x value. Next take cosecant here. So cosecant x, here cosecant x is equal to, cosecant x is equal to, so here cosecant x is equal to, here hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse value here 2, here 2 by root of 3, 2 by root 3. So cosecant x, here cosecant x lies in third quadrant, cosecant x. So in this third quadrant cosecant x is negative value. So if you take here minus, so that is minus. Next to secant x, here secant x is equal to, here secant x is equal to, see here in this secant x is hypotenuse by adjacent side. So that is equal to here 2 by 1. So secant x, here in the secant x third quadrant negative, okay, negative value. So if we take here minus, so that is equal here, that this total value is minus 2, okay. So these are other 5 trigonometric ratios. See one more time. So first here find the values of other 5 trigonometric functions. So here cos x is equal to minus 1 by 2, x lies in third quadrant. See here first here given data, this is the given data is cos x is equal to minus 1 by 2, x lies in the third quadrant, x belongs to Q3, okay, x belongs to Q3. See here first sin x, here sin x is equal to, opposite side by hypotenuse. So that is root 3 by 2. So sin x, here x lies in third quadrant, sin x is negative, so minus root 3 by 2. Next tan x, here tan x is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, so that is root 3 by 1. So tan x third quadrant positive, so root 3 only. Next to cot x is equal to adjacent side by opposite side, so 1 by root 3. So cot x third quadrant cot x is positive, okay. Next to cosecant x is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side 2 by root 3. So cosecant x third quadrant cosecant x is negative, so that is minus, okay, minus, take minus here. Next to secant x, here secant x is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side, that is 2 by 1. So secant x, in this secant x third quadrant is negative, so here take minus. So secant x is equal to minus 2, okay. These are other 5 trigonometric ratios. In this model all problems are same procedure, no change, okay. See here in this first quadrant all are positive, all trigonometric ratios are positive. In the second quadrant sin and cosecant are positive, third quadrant tan and cot are positive, remaining are negative. In this fourth quadrant cos and secant are positive, remaining ratios are negative, okay. This question, write this question one more time, you also practice. See here in this next question, so here in this question also same procedure, same model. See here in this question, right, see here page number 63 by 50th question, okay, page number 63 by 50th question. Here in this model remaining questions you practice, okay. Right, see here same, this question also same procedure, no change. Right, first here find the values of other 5 trigonometric functions. So here tan x is equal to minus 5 by 2. Here x lies in second quadrant. So here second quadrant, x lies in second quadrant. In the second quadrant So here first quadrant all are positive. Okay, first quadrant all are positive. Second quadrant here sine and cosecant are positive. Second quadrant sine and cosecant are positive. So third quadrant, this is here fourth quadrant. So in this x lies in second quadrant. So here x lies in this quadrant. Okay, this quadrant. X lies in this quadrant. See here next first side here given data. So in this solution here, see here first here in this given data. So tan x, here tan of x is equal to, minus 5 by 12. So here x lies in second quadrant. So that is x lies in here second quadrant. X lies in second quadrant. Okay. Right. So here next here write other 5 trigonometric functions. So here first tan x value. Okay. First write here sin x. Here sin of x is equal to, sin of x is equal to. So take a triangle here. First triangle. See here in this triangle. See here tan x is equal to opposite side. Here opposite side value is 5 by adjacent side is 12. Okay, don't take minus here. So x lies in second quadrant. So tan x is negative. Okay, tan x is negative. This is important, this one. So don't take minus here. Okay, tan x opposite side by adjacent side. So x lies in second quadrant. So tan x value negative value. Okay, don't take minus. Only 5, 12. So here in the side length is 12 square, 144. 5 square 25, 169. Square root of 169 value, this is 13. Okay, this is 13. So here in this angle is x. Okay, this is the right angle triangle. Okay, right. So here sin x. Here sin x is equal to opposite side by, okay, opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is 5. Here that is 5 by 13. Okay, 5 by 13. So here x lies in second quadrant. Here in the second quadrant sin x is positive. Okay, right, positive. Next see here cos x. Here cos of x is equal to, here adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is 12. Here that is 12 by 13. Okay, 12 by 13. See here cos x. Here x lies in second quadrant. Here in the second quadrant cos x value negative value. So that is minus. If you take minus. So next tan x already given. Okay, next cot x. Here cot of x is equal to, adjacent side by opposite side. Adjacent side value is 12. Here that is 12 by opposite side is 5. So cot x in this second quadrant, cot x is negative value. Okay, so take here right minus 12 by 5. Okay, alright. Next see here sin, cos, cot, tan. Next cosecant, secant. See here in this cosecant x. Here cosecant x is equal to, hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse value is 13. So that is equal here 13 by, here this opposite side value is 5. Okay, so cosecant x. Here second quadrant cosecant x is positive value. Cosecant x second quadrant positive. See here next to secant x. Here secant x is equal to, say hypotenuse by adjacent side. So this value is 13. Here 13 by here this value is 12. 13 by 12. So secant x. Here in the second quadrant secant x is negative value. Okay, secant x is negative value. So we take here minus. Okay. So these are other 5 trigonometric ratios. Okay, in this model all problems are same procedure, no change. Okay, so you also one time practice easy problems, don't feel hard. Okay, first concept here, first quadrant all are positive. Second quadrant sin and cosecant are positive, remaining ratios are negative. In this third quadrant tan and cot are positive, remaining ratios are negative. In this fourth quadrant cos and secant are positive, remaining ratios are negative. Okay, so in this model third problem. Okay, you practice remaining problems textbook. Okay, these questions are your question bank problems. Okay, your question bank problems. Okay, write this question. Okay, write this question. Right, see here in this next problem, see here in this next question, Here find the values of the trigonometric function. Find the value of the trigonometric function. See here, first here page number 63 by 6. Okay, page number 63 by 6. See here, first here find the values of the trigonometric function. Find the value. Okay, find the value. Find the value of this function. Sine of 765 degrees. That value. See here, first here in this solution. So sine of here, sine of 765 degrees. Sine of 765 degrees. So here in this one complete revolution, see here, one complete revolution. This complete revolution is 360 degrees. Okay, 360 degrees. Okay, 360 degrees. One complete revolution. Okay, 360 plus first quadrant coming. Okay, 360 plus first quadrant coming. So here if you take multiples of 360, okay, multiples of 360. See here, 765 nearer to 720. 360 into 2. 360 into 2. See here, 360. 360 into 2. 360 into 2 is equal to here 720 degrees. Okay, 720 degrees. Okay. So if you take here 765 can be written as 720 plus remaining angle. See here, first here that is equal here sine of here this value 765, here nearer value 720, so that is equal here 720 plus, okay, plus next remaining value here 65 minus 20, that is 45. Okay, this is 45 degrees. Okay. See here, first here that is equal to here sine of here 720 is equal to 2 into 360, 2 into 360 plus here 45 degrees. Okay. See here in this formula, sine of 360 plus theta. See here, sine of 360. So sine of 360 plus theta. Sine of 360 plus theta is equal to sine of 360 plus theta. See here, sine of 360 plus theta lies in first quadrant. Okay, sine 360 plus theta is equal to sine theta. So that is equal to here sine of theta. This is the formula. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, sine 360 plus theta. Sine 360 plus theta is equal to sine theta. 360 plus theta means first quadrant. All are positive. Okay, ratios are same ratios. 360 plus theta. Sine 360 plus theta is equal to sine theta. So here sine of 360 plus theta. So sine theta. So that is equal to here sine of here 45 degrees. Sine of 45 degrees. Okay, 2 into 360. Okay, don't take 2 already. Okay, already coming 2 times. So same coming this place. Okay. So sine 360 plus theta. Sine 360 plus theta. Here 4 coming same. 3 coming same. Okay, no change. Only sine 360 plus theta. Sine of 360 plus theta is sine theta. So here sine of 45. Sine of 45 degrees is equal to 1 by root 2. So here in this total value is 1 by root 2. Okay. Right, one more time. See here in this one more time. So here first find the value of the trigonometric function. Sine of 765 degrees. So here take sine of 765 degrees is equal to here 765. So here one complete revolution is 360 degrees. One complete revolution. So here 720. Okay, multiples of 2 here. See, multiply here 2, 360 into 2, 720 coming. Okay, 720 coming. So here nearer value 720 here. See here 765 is equal to 720 plus 45. Adding these two values here 720 plus 45. Okay, nearer value 720. 720 plus 45. Total value 765. See, it can be written as 720. Here 2 into 360. Multiples of 360. Okay. Plus 45. See here sine of 360 plus theta. Sine of 360 plus theta. Sine of 360 plus theta. Sine theta. Formula. This formula. Okay, this formula. Next sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Okay, sine 45 is 1 by root 2. So in this total value is equals to 1 by root 2. Okay. Write this cosine. You also practice one time this cosine. Okay, write this one. Right, see here next problem, same in this model, next question also. So first here page number 63 by 7. Okay, page number 63 by 7. So here first here find the value of the trigonometric function. So in this trigonometric function is cosecant of minus 14 10 degrees. Okay, 14 10 degrees. Right. See here first, see in the solution here, cosecant minus here 14 10 degrees. Okay, 14 10 degrees is equal to, see here multiples of 360. Okay, nearer value. See here first here 2 into, okay, 2 into 360 degrees. 2 into 360 degrees is equal to 360 degrees is equal to 720. Okay, 720 degrees. Here 1400. So in the double here. Okay, double. So multipliers here. So here 4 into 360. 4 into 360 degrees is equal to, in this total value, here 14, here 40 degrees. 1440 degrees. Here nearer value is 1440. Okay, right? So here next formula. Here in this next formula, cosecant of, here cosecant of minus theta. Cosecant of minus theta is equal to, okay, this is the formula. So minus theta lies in fourth quadrant. Minus theta lies in fourth quadrant. So here fourth quadrant cosecant value is negative value. So cosecant minus theta. Here cosecant minus theta is equal to minus cosecant theta. So that is minus, here cosecant theta, minus cosecant theta. This is the formula. First apply this formula. Say first apply this formula, cosecant of minus theta. Cosecant of minus theta is equal to minus, here cosecant theta. Here theta value, here 14 10 degrees. 14 10 degrees. Okay. See here cosecant minus theta. Cosecant minus theta is minus cosecant theta. See here that is equal to, so here minus of, here cosecant of, see here it can be written as 1410. 1410 is nearer to 1440. Okay, 1440. See here 4 into 360. So here 1410 is equal to here 14, here 1440, next minus, see here 1410 only. Here in the difference is 30 degrees. Okay, difference. So here only 14. Here 1440 minus 30 degrees. Okay, minus 30 degrees. Okay, right? So here 1440 minus 30, 1410 coming. Next apply formula, this formula. See here in this formula, see here cosecant, right, first write this one, next step, see here that is equal to, here minus, here cosecant, so here 1440 means 4 into 360, here 4 into 360, 4 into 360 degrees, okay, 4 into 360, minus, here 30 degrees, okay, 30 degrees. See here cosecant 360 minus theta, here in this formula, here cosecant 360, okay, cosecant 360 minus theta, here this is theta. So here that is, see here cosecant 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta lies in fourth quadrant. So here in this fourth quadrant cosecant is negative value. So that is in this value minus, here cosecant theta, minus cosecant theta formula. Okay, cosecant 360 minus theta. Cosecant 360 minus theta is minus cosecant theta. See here that is equal to, here minus of, see here cosecant 360 minus theta, minus cosecant theta. So minus in minus plus, see here minus in minus plus, okay, minus in minus plus. Plus here cosecant theta, here theta value is 30 degrees, okay. See here cosecant 360 minus theta is minus cosecant theta. So minus in minus plus. So cosecant 30, here cosecant 30 is equal to 2. Cosecant 30 value is 2, okay. So here cosecant minus 14 10 degrees value is 2. Okay. Here these are formulas here. Okay. Write this question. Okay. You also one more time practice this question. Here right side note these formulas. Okay. Write this one. One time check previous notebook. Okay. Write this question. Right, see here next problem. See here in this next question here, find the value of sine of 15 degrees. Okay, sine of 15 degrees. Sine 15 degrees. Okay. See here in this question here, sine of 15 degrees value. So this question repeated question. Last 10 marks combination 6 plus 4. Okay. Here this question 1 mark or 2 marks coming. Okay. See here, sine of 15 degrees value. So first here in this solution here, Right here, page number 70, example 11. This question repeated question, 2 marks question. Okay, this question 2 marks question, repeated question. Right here, first here sine of 15 degrees here. So here in the solution, here sine of 15 degrees is equal to, here sine of 15 degrees, sine of 15 degrees is equal to, so here sine 15 degrees value, sine of here 45 minus 30, 45 minus 30. See here, 45 minus 30 sine 15 degrees. So in this formula, sine of a minus b, sine of a minus b. Okay, sine of a minus b. See here, sine of a minus b. In this formula, see here, sine of a minus b is equal to, here sine of a minus b. Sine of a minus b is equal to, here in this formula, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So here sine of a minus b is equal to sin a cos b minus here cos of a sin b, cos of a sin b, cos of a sin b. So here sine of a minus b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. See here next here, sine of a minus b. Okay, a value 45, b value 30 degrees. Sine of a minus b. So in this formula, apply formula, that formula. So sin a value, sine of 45 into here cos of 30, b value is 30 minus next here cos of a, here cos of a value is 45 into next one value here sine of 30 degrees, sine of 30 degrees. So here that is equal to sine 45 degrees value 1 by root 2. Okay, 1 by root 2 into cos 30. Here cos 30 value, cos 30 is equal to root of 3 by 2. Okay, root of 3 by 2 minus cos 45. Cos 45 value is 1 by root 2 into sin 30 value. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2. See here, sin 45 1 by root 2. Cos 30 root 3 by 2 minus cos 45 1 by root 2. Sin 30 value 1 by 2. See here, that is equal to, here in this total value root of 3 by here 2 into root 2, that is 2 root 2. Next minus 1 into 1 is 1 by here 2 root 2. So that is equal to, denominator is same. So that is numerator, adding numerator root 3 minus 1 by here 2 root 2, 2. Okay. So therefore here sine of 15 degrees. So that is sine of 15 degrees is equal to here root of 3 minus 1 by here 2 into here root of 2. Okay, this is the value. Right, say this value sine 15 degrees value root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay, root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. This value is important here. Okay, in objective problems direct apply this value. Sine 15 degrees coming, write this value. Sine of 15 degrees value root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay. Write this question. Okay, you also one more time practice. Today practice one more time, today problems, all problems. Today practice formulas, trigonometric formulas. Okay, open that notebook, previous notebook, take one paper, write all formulas. Okay, read and write formulas today evening. Okay, one more time practice all formulas first. Okay, today class finish. Okay, write this question. Okay.